update and upgrade your 2007 Ford Escape Hybrid sound system. You can see that this is 2007 Ford Escape. Then with the navigational system, that it's completely outdated. So today I'm going to show you how you can update this older sound system without having to replace it with that new head units or any sort of modification to this existing radio. You'll be using my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadget will allow you to integrate your new smartphone features through this older car sound system. You do not need a new head unit. You do not need to do any modification. Simply connect my device into your car and you're ready to update and upgrade 2007 Ford Escape with navigation. So let me show you how it's done, okay? All you got to do is get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadget will allow you to integrate all your new smartphone features from your new smartphone through your older car sound system, okay? You do not need to take it apart. You do not need to replace it. Simply connect my device to your car and you're ready to enjoy all the Bluetooth functions, okay? You'll be able to enjoy talk hands-free, GPS, navigation, and all your other smart features from your smartphone through your older car sound system. Let me show you how easy it is to add Bluetooth to this older, outdated system so we can update and upgrade this system right here. So, I get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Set this outdated system to 87.9. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to your car. So simply get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect my device to your car. That's all you have to do. Like this.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. Now you can listen and stream all your music from your smartphone through your older car system, crystal clear, without hissing or static. All you got to do is connect it to your car and set your radio. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to this older car sound system to be streaming music from your smartphone through your older, outdated system. All you gotta just connect my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect my device to your phone and to your car radio, and you're ready to enjoy number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, and get real-time traffic update from apps like Waze or whatever GPS apps that you use. So you'll be able to stream music and talk hands-free as you drive in your old car. And then when a phone call comes in, you can press this button to answer the call. Your call will be crystal clear, static free. And when you're done with the call, just press this button again, and you'll be able to hang up. And then on top of that, the best part is you'll be able to integrate GPS navigation from apps like Waze to get real-time traffic information update through your older car factory system. Okay, you do not need to modify the radio in any way. You can keep everything exactly the way it is. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to replace the head units. You do not need to do any type of modification. Just plug in my device and you're ready to enjoy number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation, all from your phone through your older car sound system without a new head unit. So this is the quickest and easiest way to update and upgrade your sound system in any older car. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my Ford Escape radio upgrade video. This is Wesley. Over the last 30 years, I have repaired thousands of car radio. So I know a thing or two about car radios. So take my advice and I guarantee you will not regret it. This is the quickest and the easiest way to upgrade your Ford Escape radio. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.